plastic is light, strong and durable. How plastic is very light, strong and durable, we have to discuss. Plastic is light, strong and durable. Strong and durable. Plastic is light, strong and durable. Once you have to talk to your parents or grandparents about the types of buckets that were used in the past. What is the material of the buckets or mugs you are using today? What is the difference? Once you have to observe. In olden days, which buckets and mugs are using? Nowadays, which buckets or mugs are using today? What are the advantages of using a plastic container? Since plastic is very light, strong, durable and can be molded into different shapes and sizes. It is used for various purposes. Generally, we are using the plastic materials various purposes. Plastics are generally cheaper than metals. Once you have to take the metal and plastic, which is the cheaper? Plastics are very cheaper than metals. For suppose iron buckets is there, plastic bucket is there. Which is the cheap? Plastic bucket only cheap. For suppose iron container is there, plastic container is there. Which is the cheap? Plastic container only cheap. So generally plastics are generally cheaper than metals. They are widely used in industry and for household articles. You can do one thing, make a list of different kinds of plastic containers that you use in daily life. You are using the daily life, which plastics are you are using, you can make a list. Okay. So what is the advantages of using plastic containers? Plastic is a very light, plastic is very light, plastic is very light, strong, durable, plastic is very light, strong, durable and can be molded into different shapes and sizes, and can molded into and can be molded into different shapes and size, molded into different shapes and size, different shapes and sizes. It is used for various purposes. It is used for various purposes. It is used for various purposes. Plastics are generally cheaper than metals. Plastics are generally cheaper than metals. Plastics are generally cheaper than metals. They are widely used in industry and for household articles. They are widely used in industry, They are widely used in industry and for household articles. Household articles. They are widely used in industry and for household articles. You can make a list of different kinds of plastic containers that you use in daily life. Which plastics are you are using in the daily life, you can make a list. Okay, next is plastics are poor conductors. Plastics are poor conductors. They did not pass the any electricity. Plastics are poor conductors. Plastics are poor conductors. You have learned about that plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Already we know the plastics are poor conductor of heat and electricity. That is why electrical wires have plastic covering. Once you have to observe the electrical wires, they have plastic covering. On the electrical wire, plastic covering is there, and handles of screwdrivers are made up of plastics. Screwdriver handle also made up of plastic, as mentioned above. Handles of frying pans are also made up of plastic. Electrical wires and handles of the screwdrivers and frying pans are also made up of plastic. Why? Because plastic is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. It is a poor conductor of electricity, that's why they are using in the electrical wires as a coating, as a covering of plastic. And handles of the screwdriver also same. And frying pans are also made up of plastic. Why? Because it won't be conduct the heat. That's why frying pans are also made up of plastics. Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. That is why electrical wires have electrical wires have plastic covering. Electrical wires have plastic covering. And handles of screwdrivers are made up of plastic. And handles of screwdrivers are made up of plastics. And handles of screwdrivers are made up of plastics, as mentioned above. Handles of frying pans are also made up of plastic. Okay. Handles of frying pans are also made up of plastic. These are the uses of the plastics. Plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Once you have to observe, plastics find extensive use in the healthcare industry. Once you have to observe in the healthcare industry, plastics are extensive using in medical field, in hospitals also they are using the plastics. I will give some examples of their use. Are the packaging of tablets. In the healthcare industry, packing of tablets they are using the plastics. And threads used for stitching wounds. Also they are using. Syringes, doctors, gloves. Syringes also they are using plastics. Doctors' gloves also using the plastics. And a number of medical instruments is there. Special plastic cookware is used in microwave ovens for cooking food. In microwave ovens they are using the special plastic. Microwave ovens they are using the special plastic. In microwave ovens the heat cooks the food but does not affect the plastic vessel. In microwave ovens the heat cooks the food but does not affect the plastic vessel. Teflon is a special plastic on which oil and water do not stick. Teflon is a special plastic, and that plastic oil and water do not stick. It is used for non-stick coating on cookwares. Once you have to observe in your home, in your kitchen, non-stick coating cookwares is there. That non-stick coating cookwares are prepared by Teflon. Teflon is a special plastic. Teflon is a special plastic. It is a non-stick. Oil and water do not stick into the Teflon. That's why in our kitchen non-stick pans are prepared from Teflon. That is the use of Teflon. Teflon is a one type of plastic.